Yeah, not rather than a computer scientist, what I might do is build a company around that, and I'd be like, yeah, that's fantastic. Let's build this sales structure, let's build, marketing department, let's build this into a real thing. That's what they would enjoy doing, which is great. I'm sure somebody will do that at some point.
Second question, more general than on open source, is that, well, you serve as a quite lousy example of what I was going to ask, is that basically somehow we have to make money.
Right.
And do you think then a move to open source kind of changes the business on what is being sold? Because you have closed source, you're basically relying on each sale, and you might want to limit the amount of support the customer needs, but with the open source you are selling anything, so you might
So one of the possibilities here, I'm not sure how well this works, but it's almost the goal, is that the open source emerges as a side effect of people using the seed product for their own selfish purposes. So let me give you an example. My business is I'm a consultant and I work for customers, and every time I come there they have problems which I can solve using ZeroMQ. So I bring in ZeroMQ very happily, but when I start using it I find that there are little things I want to improve or change, or little things that are missing. So the customer pays me to make those. And because the license says so, I just push it all back to the community and all goes in the master product. So I'm paid by the customer to improve ZeroMQ for the benefit of the customer. I make a profit, the customer makes a profit, ZeroMQ makes a profit. And what's required is that the contribution process going back works really well. That my changes don't disrupt other people, that they don't cause damage, that they're positive. And if there's a problem, I get told about it very quickly. So theoretically, and this is almost happening in a few projects, if the seed product is interesting enough and can generate a little bit